Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Grish Goyal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, School of Agriculture, IIT University, Gwalior. Students, I hope you all are good and stay at home safely. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग घर पे होंगे, सुरक्षित होंगे. Students, today I am going to start our subject Rabe crop production BSc Agriculture 7th semester. Students, so let's start our topic about cultivation of till crop part 2. Students, I will introduce all cultivation practices part by part. So this part 2, इससे पहले part 1 आया था, ये part 2 है, इससे पहले हो सकता है part 3 भी आएगा. Students, I will introduce all content one by one and NPK requirement, water management, rainfall, soils, tillage, varieties, cropping system, intercropping, outcomes and references. Students, before starting the topic, I want to telling you about some introduction and history of till crop. Students, Sesamum or till, Sesamum indicum is botanical name, is the oldest indigenous oilseeds crop with longest history of cultivation in India. Students, the crop is grown in almost all parts of the country. More than 85% production of sesame comes for West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Students, till या sesame or jingli is commonly known as till Hindi, Punjabi, Bengali, Marathi. Tal Gujarati and Niblu Malchi Niblu Telugu, Ilu Tamil Malayalam. In different parts of India, sesame seed contain 50% oil and 25% protein and 15% of carbohydrate. Students is used in baking, candy making and other food industries. It is an integral part of nutrients, elegance and culture. Students, the main reason for their popular is that they have many health promoting nutrients and elements. The world produces about 3 million tons of sesame seeds every year. Students, Myanmar, India, China, Sudan and the Kai production accounting for 70% of the total production. Students, sesame yatil is a warm weather crop which mostly grows tropical and subtropical area up to an elevation of the about 1200 meters. Students, these conditions require specific plant performance which make it capable of thriving deposit the challenging environment. Students, so history Sesame indicum is one of the oldest cultivated plant in the world. It was highly prized oil crop of Babylon and Assyrian at least 4000 years ago. Students, today India and China are the world's largest producers of sesame till, followed by Burma, Sudan, Mexico, Nigeria, Turkey, Ethiopia. Students, world production in 1985 was 2.53 million ton on 16.3 million acre. Students, sesame was introduced to the United States in the 1930 and domestic production has been limited because of the lack of culture that can be harvested mechanically. Students, in 1987, the seismic activity in the country were less than 2,500 acres, about of which were in the Texas. The U.S. import about 40,000 ton of seed and 2,200 ton of sesame oil annually, primarily for the Southern America. So, students, सीसम या तिल एक ही चीज़ होता है, कंफ्यूज मत होना, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. सीसम इज एंसिडेंट ऑलसीड crop India and also an important agriculture export commodity in India. Thought sesame is cultivated in one or more season, Kharif and Rabi. Nearly 75% of annual acreage and production come from Kharif crop June to November. Students, with an objective of sesame of production of sesame from Kharif 2019 crop. An extensive crop survey was carried out during the harvesting period in four major sesame growing states, that is Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat in India. Students, 5 teams moved across the sesame growing regions are interviewed 1017 sesame farmers in 45 districts across this fourth state for the information of the stakeholder in the export trade. Students, Kharif 2019 all India sesame acreage was 1 lakh 13 lakh 71,700 hectare. Four states: Gujarat 8%, Uttar Pradesh 30%, Rajasthan 20% and Madhya Pradesh 23%. Jointly accounted for 85% of the national acreage. At the national level, there was an increase in acreage by 4% with respect of the Kharif 2018. Students, the degrees observed in Madhya Pradesh was quite large, 29%. However, increase in Gujarat 14% and Uttar Pradesh 26% were substantial. Students, a majority of sesame farmer 30 to 57% onward farm land similar than 2 hectare at national level at peak period of sowing was 23 June to 13 July. Students, the largest extent of sowing was done during 30 June to 13 July in Gujarat 62% and during 16 June to 13 July in Rajasthan 70%, as well as in Madhya Pradesh 61%, while it is during 16 June to 20 July in Uttar Pradesh 79%. Students, most farmers purchase seed from the local vendors and some use their home grow seed. The vendors quote after seeds from seeds that are the mixture of a few varieties under the guises of any popular automatic variety or as any new names of the seed stock, as most farmer list local seed vendors. Students, among the survey the state the highest yield of 565 kg per hectare was estimated for Gujarat, followed by 218 kg per hectare for Rajasthan, 262 kg hectare for Madhya Pradesh and 239 kg per hectare for Uttar Pradesh. The national average yield was estimated at 291 kg per hectare. The combined production of these four states was estimated at students at which accounted for 82% of the estimated national production. So students, in Kharif 2019 rainfall was rather irregular and large excess the major season till growing region due to combined effect of acreage increase by 4% and yield increases. The Kharif 2019 production 3.99 lakh metric ton. It was estimated to be higher than that of Kharif 2018 season, 1.78 lakh million ton. Student season the highest content amongst the annual oil seed in the rich nutrient favor in the common ingredient cuisine across the world. Students in India, one of the largest exported sesame and till with an annual all season acreage about 17 to 20 lakh hectares. The crop require about 450 to 600 rainfall and temperature and of 22 to 35 degree Celsius. Extreme low and very high temperature affect the growth. Depending on variety used, the crop mature in 80 से 110 days. Students, crop is considered ready for harvest when the leaves, stem and caps being to turn yellow and then lower leaves of the plant start seeding. Students, Evil plant extensive crop survey was carried out during harvesting period in 4 major sesame growing states, India, estimating production from Kharif to 2019 crop. So students, this is generally introduction and history. So first content students NPK requirement. Okay. So students NPK requirement. Students in India still respond to applied nitrogen and phosphorus. However, the degree of response to these nutrients depends upon the total rainfall and its distribution during the crop season. Students response to nitrogen is up to 60 kg per hectare. Split application of nitrogen, half pad seedling, and the remaining around 35 days in the ideal placement of nitrogen improve the yield over broadcasting. Student response of till and phosphorus depending on the rate of nitrogen application depending on the level of soil. Phosphorus 15 to 30 kg P2O5 per hectare. Sesame to be active under most stickhold soil deficient and potassium respond to around 20 kg K2O per hectare. Students, placement of fertilizer at seeding using seed drill is more effective than broadcast application. Recommended fertilizer schedule for sesame in given in table. So students, table recommended fertilizer schedule for till crop. So students, this table. This is different state and different schedule NPK requirement and remark. First of all, Andhra Pradesh and district तेलंगाना एरिया. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स इसमें हम लोग कितना NPK रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं 40 एंड 20 एंड रिमेनिंग रिमार्क में N इन 2 इक्वल स्प्लिट एट सीडिंग एंड 30 DAS डेट आफ्टर सोइंग. फिर सेकंड हमारा स्टेट है गुजरात में खरीफ और सेमी रबी में. तो खरीफ में हम लोग कितना रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं 30 25 0. सेमी रबी में 25 25 0. फिर बात आती है स्टूडेंट मध्य प्रदेश में हम लोग कितना रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं 40 30 एंड 0. स्टूडेंट्स रिमेनिंग रिमार्क्स में 25 kg जिंक ZnSO फॉर वंस इन 3 years एंड महाराष्ट्र में स्टूडेंट 50 00 half and 21 DAS एंड द अदर half 40 DAS. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ बात करें राजस्थान में हैवी सॉइल्स एंड लाइट सॉइल. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग कर रहे हैं इस सॉइल के लिए 20, हैवी सॉइल्स के लिए 20 20 0, लाइट सॉइल के लिए 40 25 0. फिर इसकी नेक्स्ट इसी के टेबल नेक्स्ट साइड में स्टूडेंट्स उड़ीसा हुआ जहाँ पर रिकमेंड हम लोग कर रहे हैं 30 20 20 हुआ. ठीक है. फिर जैसे हमारा हुआ इसमें तमिलनाडु में हुआ तो यहाँ रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं इरीगेटेड में 30 20 20. रेनफॉल में स्टूडेंट्स कर रहे हैं हम लोग 25 15 15. स्टूडेंट यही बात करें हम लोग उत्तर प्रदेश की तो यहाँ रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं हम लोग 20 10 0. ठीक है. हरियाणा में 30 0 0, बिहार में 40 0 0. ठीक है. तो वेस्ट बंगाल में रेन फीड में इरीगेटेड. सो स्टूडेंट्स दे आर डिफरेंट स्टेट and different recommend NPK requirement, okay, with region. So this is NPK requirement. Next content is students water management. So students water management. Students expect when cultivated during Rabi summer till receives any irrigation. Nevertheless, protective irrigation will greatly benefit the rainfall crop whenever there are flood dry spells. Students, especially on light soil, yield advantage up to the 200% due to supplemental irrigation has been reported. So students, this is water management. Next content is student. नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा रेनफॉल. सो स्टूडेंट्स once established tillage capable for withstanding a high degree of water stress dot than many other crops. The seeding stage however is susceptible to moisture shortage. Student, the crop can be grow entirely or sorted soil moisture and only an odd sour yearly growth can produce good yield. Students, a rainfall of 600 to 1000 mm can result in optimum yield under varying soil and climatic condition in India. Students, tillage is extremely sustainable to waterlogging and heavy continuous rain at any time during the growth will greatly increase the incidence of the fungal disease. Heavy rain at flowering will directly reduce the yield, and if cloudy weather practices for any period at this time, yield will be directly reduced. So this is रेनफॉल. स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा सॉइल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सॉइल till grow will on a variety of soil but that's based on those which are moderately fertile with a good internal drainage. Students, soil with the natural reaction are preferred. It will grow will on soil with a pH ranking of 5.5 to 8. Students, in India, in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, tillage grow on lateritic soil, light in texture and poor in fertility. Students, and on more heavy soils in Gujarat, it is grown sandy loams and Karnataka or red earth. Students, it is grow on clay loam in Andhra Pradesh and loams in Tamil Nadu. In Maharashtra, sesame in grow and medium to heavy black soil. So this is soil. नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा टीलेज. सो स्टूडेंट्स लैंड प्रिपरेशन फॉर टीलेज सिमिलर to as that for wheat, sorghum and other millets for kharif crop. Students, land is deep plowed with summer sower in April May. Students, with the onset of monsoon rain 2 to 3 harrowing are given to break up to the cloud. Students, heavier soil require only 3 or 4 harrowing to produce of a fine seed bed. Students, Rabi crop required less land preparation as the soil are frequently moist from the monsoon rain. Establishment a problem still has to be grow after kharif rise. Students, under such condition there is scope only for minimum tillage. So this is tillage. Next content is students variety. Students, late sown varieties are short day plant and when grow under long days become excessively vegetative. Students, yearly cultivars are day day natural. Students, short photo period may be increase the number of capsules per plant is a yearly and mid late. Students, cultivars. Students, therefore varieties recommended are season and location specific. Some of the recommended varieties are given in table. So this is table recommended till variety for different state. So first of all मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान एंड महाराष्ट्र एंड उत्तर प्रदेश. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे जो तरह तरह की स्टेट है हमारे, हम लोग कौन कौन सी वैरायटी रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट स्टेट में, तो वो आपको बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ओके, जैसे मध्य प्रदेश में गुजरात तिल 4 हुआ, TKJ 24 हुआ, ठीक है, TKJ 22 हुआ, JT 11 हुआ. तो ऐसे ही महाराष्ट्र, ऐसे ही राजस्थान में RT 46 हुआ, महाराष्ट्र में ऐसे गुजरात तिल 4 हुआ, उत्तर प्रदेश में T78 शेखर हुआ. तो तरह तरह की वैरायटी हम लोग रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स till response is seasonal and about 50 kg per hectare if the soils are deficient in the sulfur integrated nutrient management consisting of 5-10 per hectare of FIM, 40 kg phosphorus and seed treatment with the azospm has given accounting resulting in several situations. So this is varieties. Next cropping system. Students, cropping system, sequential cropping. Till by virtue of its short duration, fifth we will be into a number of intensive system either as catch crop or sequence crop. Some of the sequence cropping system are given below. So first of all, different region: Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. Next क्रॉप सीक्वेंस में राइस, ग्राउंडनट, तिल, सीसम एंड चिकपी. तमिलनाडु में हम लोग राइस, ग्राउंडनट, तिल, रवी, सोरगम. सो दे आर डिफरेंट रीजन एंड डिफरेंट क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम. ओके, आदि स्लाइड इसमें भी है, जैसे पंजाब में, उत्तर प्रदेश में, हरियाणा में, गुजरात में, राजस्थान में, वेस्ट बंगाल में, कहाँ कहाँ पे हम किस किस तरीके से हम लोग क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम कर सकते हैं, तो आपको ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ. ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है स्टूडेंट्स इंटरक्रॉपिंग. ठीक है, सो स्टूडेंट्स yield and mobility advantage from till are higher when it is cultivated as a sole crop than as a mixed intercrop. However, till is grow is mixed in intercropping, keeping in view the risk of total crop failure under abnormal rainfall condition. Some of the intercropping system involving till are given below. So this is table format. So there are different states and different mixed intercropping and different crop ratio. So student, और उत्तर प्रदेश में हम लोग तिल प्लस ग्रीन ग्राम अगर कर रहे हैं तो उसका रेशियो कितना है, 1:1. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे तिल में और पिजन पी में कर रहे हैं इसका रेशियो कितना है, 2:1. अगर मध्य प्रदेश की बात कर लें तो इसका रेशियो कितना है, तिल प्लस ग्रीन ग्राम का 1:1. तिल और सोयाबीन का कितना है, 2:1. तो स्टूडेंट दे आर डिफरेंट स्टेट एंड डिफरेंट मिक्स एंड इंटरक्रॉपिंग एंड विथ डिफरेंट रेशियो. स्टूडेंट्स अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता है आपसे मध्य प्रदेश में तिल और ग्रीन ग्राम का कि कितना रेशियो है, तो आप बता सकते हो 1:1. तिल और सोयाबीन कितना है तो आप बता सकते हो 2:1. सो दे आर डिफरेंट स्टेट एंड डिफरेंस मिक्स एंड इंटरक्रॉपिंग. ओके, फिर नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स आउटकम. So students outcome depending upon the cultivars the crop mature in 75 to 150 days after sowing. Students, till seed have both nutritional and medicinal value because they are rich in fat, protein, carbohydrate, fiber and essential minerals. So this is outcome. Okay, so students, this topic is finished. कल्टीवेशन ऑफ तिल क्रॉप पार्ट 2. इससे पहले पार्ट 1 था, ये पार्ट 2 है. तो आई होप आप इसे अच्छे से पढ़ें. कल्टीवेशन ऑफ तिल क्रॉप काफ़ी अच्छा है ये, और आप पढ़ेंगे इसके आपको वीडियो नोट्स पीपीटी अवेलेबल हैं, वेबिनार भी इसका सब कुछ आपके पास अवेलेबल है। तो प्लीज़ आई होप आप इसे अच्छे से पढ़ें, कोई डाउट लगे तो फिर भी मेरे से पूछिएगा, ठीक है। दिस टॉपिक इज़ फिनिश, कल्टिवेशन ऑफ तिल क्रॉप पार्ट 2। ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।